you've done it on purpose.
I haven't. I finished when you.
Look at
I've
that.
got top of body.
Look at that.
What a short shot.
Well, it shouldn't do that side for that now.
Well, it was still too much, John, and I told you yesterday about overfilling washers.
Unless it's built up with some sort of...
It's probably because it's built up. It's powder. Real fuzzy one. Not good at
It will eventually, John, but it might take time before it goes down.
Have you all been that harsh on?
Not yet, no.
Why, that we sucked to the...
Recording.